Congratulations on your purchase of Draper FlexShade ZIP exterior shades. In this guide, we'll walk you through the precise steps to install side channels on ZIP 127 curved and square head boxes, as well as ZIP XL products. The following instructions are not for ZIP 127 Angled Headbox exterior shade products. If you have not yet disassembled and prepared the side channels for installation, click or tap the card in the top right corner of this video to watch instructions for these steps. Start by inserting the side channel guide pin at the top of the side channel into the receiving hole at the bottom of the headbox end cap. This step is crucial to ensuring that the side channel is square and perfectly aligned with the headbox. If needed, place a shim at the bottom of the side channel to maintain proper engagement with the guide pin receiver. Make sure the plastic guide pin plug is snugly secured against the underside of the headbox. This will guarantee a tight and stable fit. If you discover that you need to modify and reduce the length of the side channels, click or tap the card in the top right corner to watch instructions for these steps. With the 2-foot level, carefully work your way down from the top of the side channel. Install your first set of fasteners, making sure the side channel remains plumb. Your goal is to achieve plumb within a margin of 1/16 of an inch across the full height of the side channel. Precision here is key. Next, take the zipper retainer and slide the funnel end upward onto the zipper at the hem bar end. Rotate the retainer strip towards the back of the headbox as you engage the zipper. Slide it upward until it's fully engaged. Then rotate the entire retainer towards the front of the headbox to fully seat it. Ensure the zipper retainer can move freely up and down, though movement will be limited. If it's stuck or doesn't move freely, check the height to make sure the fins haven't rolled inward into the opening. The fin should be tucked completely behind the liner channel for proper operation. Now use the provided 3mm Allen head screws to secure the front cover. With a T-handle Allen wrench, gently tighten each screw from top to bottom. Finger tight is sufficient. Avoid using an electric drill or impact driver, as this can easily strip the threads on the aluminum channels. Repeat the installation process for the opposite side, ensuring the side channel remains plumb along its full height. Accuracy on both sides is essential for a consistent and reliable installation. Finally, measure across the opening to confirm that the width remains consistent from top to bottom. This step ensures that the entire assembly is perfectly aligned and ready for use. Once connected to power, your shade is now fully installed. You may now proceed to programming and limit setting. Click the thumbnail to view video instructions for this step. Or if you need additional support, please contact Draper Inc. at 800-238-7999.